Building circles out of wood is a lot of fun. I actually did this for a Lazy Susan build, a side table, and even in some upcoming projects that you'll see later on in this channel. And surprisingly, they're not that hard to build, so I'll show you real quick the trick that I use to get perfect circles using my router. And for this you can use any size board you want, the wider the better. So that you don't damage your workbench, I recommend you get some of the pink insulation foam, and after you do that, you have to find the center of the board, or at least where you want the middle of your circle to be. And depending what size circle you want to build, you have to measure half the distance from the middle of this router jig. In case you want to build the same jig as me, there'll be a link down in the description to this video where I give you detailed instructions on how to build this jig. And once I find the right distance, I'm going to drill a hole there, and this is where this nail is going to pivot to turn my router jig. Next, I just have to attach this jig to my router by screwing it in, and then hammer the nail in right into the center. And now all I have to do is just put the nail into the router jig. Then I have to slowly lower my router into the wood, make sure that the nail is firmly in the center point, and then slowly pivot the router around the nail until I make a complete circle, and that's just one pass done for this. Now you want to take light passes going down to the circle, not trying to move off a lot of material at a time, only going down no more than 1/4 of an inch, and then clearing out the debris every time you go down a layer. And that's it, your circle is now all done. Once you reach the bottom, it might be a little bit dusty, so it's good to have a shop vac on hand or just something to clear out all the dust. And there you have it, that's how you easily create a circle using a router. And to test how circular it is, if you want, you can try and spin it on your finger. It's not necessary, but it's still pretty fun to do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this quick circle tutorial video, and I'll catch you guys later.